Hello everyone and welcome back to Data Analysis with Power BI. Today we'll be discussing a new concept of data sets. Now we'll be loading up our data set from our resource folder. It's going to be a CSV file. Then we're going to be considering data scientist or data science salaries, fields in data science. Now, as this data loads up, I will take you to my browser. This is a work I did on my GitHub. You can check it out. Ahmed slash data science jobs at GitHub. My handle is just Ahmed. Now, the motivation for this work was during the pandemic, we discovered that a lot of activities were shut down, and then there was need to involve data science, need to for works to start up in our homes, and then we had to do some various activities from our home. So, and it evolved into the new world after the COVID, whereby work has to be done remotely. So we try to see how has data scientist jobs increased during this course of period. However, our goal here is to see how many people work from home. Um, that is the first option here. Then, what are the ratio of hybrid and remote workers? Okay, what are the top ties jobs? You understand? That's the top jobs in the data career. Then, what are the salary exchange rate for each of these job? Then the data set we'll be considering has some set of column years or work year, that is the year based on their paid salary, the experience level, of which we have the entry level or junior level, we have the middle level, we have the senior level or expert, then we have the executive or director. In the data set, you'll be seeing something like EN, MIDEES, and EX. Now, all this means entry level, middle level, senior level, and executive level. That is the respective meaning of each of them. Also, you'll be seeing something like PT, FT, CT, FL. It means part time, full time, contract, and finance. Then you'll be seeing job title, salary in USSD, in US dollars, then employment, resident ratio. When you see, I'll be talking about 0, 0, 50, and 100. That means 0, it means there is no remote work there. 50, there is 50 partial remote there. It could be hybrid, whereby you do some at work, some at home, some at your workstation. Then we have fully remote, which is about 80%, you being at home and the likes. Then we have company location. Then we'll also be looking at something like company size, which is small, medium, and large. Then these are majorly the things we'll be seeing in our data set. And then if we head over to this side, you will see where I did some analysis with this data in Python. Now we're going to be doing the same thing with our Power BI to tell us that we can do analysis based on whatever we have done in Python. We can reciprocate it in the concept of Power BI. That is why I took you to the other side. So this is our data. We're going to be transforming the data and be exploring the data firstly to see what are the things in the data. We'll be looking at things like the first column here is just a serial number ID that counts the whole data down, and I don't need that. So what I can easily do with that is that I right click on it and I say you should remove column. Now I don't need that column. I need the years, that is the years they've been working, either as online, offline, or hybrid, or that's from home in any form. Then the experience level, as I said before, if you notice, we have MI here, that means middle level. SE means senior level, and then all these are the experience levels. Then we have the employment type, full time, line, full time, and the ones we discussed. We have the job titles. We have also the salaries. Then we have the salaries currency of each of them. Then we now look at the uniform way where we converted all the salaries to US dollars. Then we're looking at the employees' residence, that's where they are staying. Then we are looking at the ratio of company, the ratio of the activity, whether zero now means is on site fully, that means they are fully on site. Then 50 means they are doing hybrid, home and away. Then 100 means it's fully remote. Now the next thing is the data companies, the data company's location. Where is this company located? We want to know the company you are working for. Where is it located? Then finally, we have the size of this of the various companies. That is a little intro into the data we'll be looking at, and then we'll be analyzing this data. Okay, we'll click on close and apply while it loads into the Power BI. Currently, it's loading into Power BI, trying to build some connections within Power BI. And then, thank you. Since it has successfully uploaded, in our next video, I'll introduce you to some concepts. Then we'll start our visualization. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.